sir. Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. In the last class, I taught you the grammars, right? Sentences and articles. Today, we are going to learn the poem. Test is very near, children. I think you all got the timetable. The test will be starting from 12th. So please start reading for the test. Okay, I'll be giving you the revision for the test. Now, today we will start the poem. Dust of Snow. The poem name is Dust of Snow. What is this dust of snow? Who has written this poem? We'll come to know now. Okay. Dust of Snow is the beautiful poem written by a famous American poet Robert Frost. It depicts a simple movement. It depicts a simple movement, but is great significant. But it is great significant. The poet is depressed and has all lost hopes. He has lost all hopes. He is sitting under the what is that? Hemlock tree. He's sitting under hemlock tree. A small incident changes his mood. The poem teaches us that one should never desperate and hopelessness in his life. You should not lose the hopes in your life. That is what he wants to tell in the summary. The poet wants to tell we should not lose the hopes in our life. Okay, what the poem tells you about? We'll read the poem and then I'll teach you what it tells you. Okay. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. See, this poem is very short. It has 2 stanzas, but it gives meaning to the nature and to the human life. It is having only 2 stanzas. It is very easy poem, but it gives important meaning. Okay, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. See, it's very nice, no? The poem is very nice. Now we'll come to know what the poet wants to tell us. Okay. It tells us that sometimes even a small incident may prove to be a large significance. The poet is upset in the beginning of the poem. In the beginning of the poem, the poet is very upset. In the beginning of the poem, but a small incident, a falling of snow changes his mood. By falling of snow, he has changed his mood. Totally. In the end of the poem, the poet feels relaxed. In the end of the poem, in the second stanza, the poet is feeling relaxed and thankful to the nature for saving his day from being wasted. He was very upset. He was very sad. The poet was very sad. But after he enters to the nature, the snow which was falling on the tree, hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. It's a poisonous tree which is having a small white flowers. Which is having small white flowers. And the snow was falling on the tree and all over. The snow or the dust of the snow was falling on the poet. He feels after the snow falls on him, he feels somewhat different. He felt somewhat changes in his mood, and he was relaxed. He was relaxed and thankful to the nature for saving his day from being wasted. See how the poet is explaining being wasted. This is what the poet wants to tell us. The nature has changed his mood. Whose mood? The poet's mood. The way a crow choked down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. See how this hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. You can see in the textbook that they have given the picture, tree's picture. The dust of snow, what it means, the joy that nature bestows upon us, means is feeling changes in his mood. The falling of snow on the poet changed his mood. The soft and cold touch of snow changed the poet's mood from sad to happy. This was a summary. Okay. The way a crow choked down on me while flying, the crow. See, the poet has taken the bird crow, not the different bird. Okay, he has taken a crow. The way a crow choked down on me means while flying, he has while flying. The snow was falling on the crow. The crow was flying. It has shook means it's shaking, shake his body, and which was on the crow. The snow which was on the crow, it fell on the poet. The dust of snow from the hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood, and saved some part of a day I had rude. He was very rude and he was very sad. So after he comes out in the nature, when he was exposed to the nature, he felt changes in his mood. Okay. Now in the last stanza, the poet is telling that he is feeling good and he is happy, relaxed. Okay, children. This is what the poem. I have completed the poem explanation. You will be getting the notes in the PDF form. Today or tomorrow you will be getting the notes. We have completed the FA1 portion. Okay, till the poem. First lesson was meeting Suzanne, and the next lesson is next lesson was wild duck, and the last one is dust of snow. These are the portions for the first FA1 test. You have to read the poem and as well as the question answers also. I'll be giving the revision. You have to read for the test. Okay, children. Now we'll go for now I'll start the revision because time is too short. It is not sufficient to give you all the things in the online class, the notes and all. So we'll be sending the PDF. You will be getting the notes in the PDF, all the notes. You have to write the notes in the classwork. Use only blue pen, blue gel pen. Don't use red pen and all. Some students have written the notes with the questions with the red pen and answers with the blue pen. Don't write don't use the red gel pen to write the classworks. Okay, write only with the blue gel pen. Now we'll start the revision for the first FA1. Okay. I hope you have understood the poem, children. FA1 revision. Okay. Today I will be giving you the pattern. First main, please write this pattern and the questions. Okay. Answers also. Write this revision if you are having in the last year book, long notebook. If you are having last year's long notebook, or if you have taken the long notebook this year from the school, or if you have taken the book from the stationery shop, take the long notebook, or if you are not having long notebook, you can use the short notebook also to write the revision. Write in that and read for the test. Okay, copy the revision properly. Okay, children. Okay. First main, meanings. First main, meanings. Okay. Second main, write the poem. Write the poem. Poem, dust of snow. Dust of snow. Okay. Third main, supply the, I've given you this all things in your worksheet. In your English worksheet, you can copy. Okay. Supply the subject in the following. In the following sentences. Refer from worksheet. Okay. Refer from worksheet. Fourth main, fill in the blanks. This also I have given in the worksheet. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Suitable articles. This also refer from worksheet. Fifth main, write alternative questions for the following. This also refer from worksheet. Okay. The sixth main, rewrite the following. Rewrite the following groups of words as sentences. Refer from worksheet. Okay. Refer from worksheet. The next, last main, seventh main, answer the following. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. This you have to refer from the classwork. Okay. This is the pattern for FA1 test. This is the pattern for FA1 test. First main is meanings, second main is meaning poem. The third main, fourth main, fifth main, and sixth main are grammar. And the last main is answer the following. Copy this, children. I'll be giving you 2 minutes to copy this. And I've completed the poem. It's a very short poem. I hope you have understood very clearly. Okay. Now you write this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. If you have not written, please copy. Don't copy this and read for the test. Poem, you have to write 2 stanza in the revision. It is having only 2 stanza. It is very short poem. You have to write 2 stanzas. Okay, complete full poem you have to read for the test. Okay, pause this video and start writing the revision, children. Now I will be giving you the questions, revision questions. This is for FA1 test, okay? First main meanings. First one, dead on. Dead on. Dead on. Hit the target. Hit the target perfectly. Perfectly. Second one. Beating. Answer for that, flying. The meaning for that, flying around in circular. Around in circle. Third one. Molly, a light purple color. When I was teaching the wild duck, I taught you about this, isn't it? It's in the wild duck lesson. Purple color. Sun changes in the evening, the color changes of the sun in the evening, right? Sometimes red, orange, or sometimes yellow, sometimes purple also, different color. Fourth one, rude. Just now I taught you the poem, right? Dust of snow in that rude. The poet was rude, right? Felt sorry about something. About something. Then fifth one, shook. S-H-O-O-K. Past tense of shake. Past tense of shake. Sixth one. A large French country home. When I was teaching you the meeting the Cezanne, In that lesson, first lesson, I taught you about this, right? Seventh one, cross. Angry. This also. Isn't it? In the first lesson, I taught you about this. Angry. This is the first meanings. I've given you the meanings. Copy this in your revision book. Pause this video and copy this, children, in your revision book and read for the test. Okay. Next main is the poem. Write the poem. Now I pause this video and write this. Complete this in your revision. Now I will move to the second main. Write the poem. Second main. Second main. Write the poem. Write the poem. I am giving the poem also. First stanza. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow, from a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree. Second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood. A change of mood. Change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rude. The poem. These are the two stanzas you have to read for the test. See, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Have you seen the dust of snow? Have you seen? It will fall like a small white cotton balls, small dots. It looks like from far. It looks like small cotton balls. It looks very nice, children. The dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart. See how the poet is explaining. It's a very nice to listen, right? A change of mood, changing of mood. In the second stanza, the poet has changed the mood and saved some part of a day I had rude. This is the second stanza. This is second main. Last main, seventh main. Other mains, third main, fourth main, fifth main, and sixth main, you have to read from the worksheet. You have to recopy the mains from the worksheet. Okay, don't leave. Only don't write first main and second main and last main. Okay, because you will not be some students will not be having the book, so I have written all the full poem. Okay, you have to read. and other mains I have given you in the worksheet. I hope you have all got the worksheet. Read that other mains also you have to copy from the worksheet to the revision. Okay. Last main, answer the following. Answer the following questions. Following questions. Answer the following questions. First one in this. What? First one in this. Did amending? I hope you all got the notes. Did Amandine think her father would be angry with her for the burnt table cloth. What tells you this? What tells you this? Answer for this. Yes. Yes. Amandine thought her father would be angry. Father would be angry with her for the burnt table. For the burnt table cloth. Burnt tablecloth, but he did not. This situation tells us we should handle the situation patiently. This is the first answer. Okay. Pause this video and copy this, children. You have to complete in your revision to read. If you are not completed, you can't read for the test. Okay, complete it. I have erased the poem. Next question I'm going to write here. Okay. Next question, second question. What has the speaker's heart? This is the poem question answer. Heart being given how did it change? How did it change? Answer. The speaker's heart being given to soft and cold touch of the snow. It changed his mood. It changed his mood from sad to happy. From sad to happy. Third one question. At first the man got very angry with his son for throwing. This is the second lesson. Notes wild duck. Throwing the gun away. He's angry anger. Then I'll erase that side, children. Please complete this in your revision and don't just keep after completing, read for the test, for FA1 test. I'll continue the question here. Then changed to relief. Why do you think this happened? This was the question. And answer at first the man got very angry with his for throwing the gun away. His anger then changed to relief because because the way his son taking care taking care of the duck changes father's mood. Father mood. Sorry, father mind. Mind. Okay. One more question answer is there. I'll be erasing this side. Please copy this, pause this video, and you have to complete this. And I should not hear anything that you have not given the revision, man. No, not that, this, etc., etc. Okay. Please, I've given you the revision. Pause this video. Don't miss any classes. Don't miss. If you miss any classes, no, you can't understand anything, children. So don't miss any class. Okay. Fourth one, not only the English subject, you should not miss any other subject also. Okay. Fourth one, the last one, why did Amandine try to remove the burning tablecloth. Burning tablecloth. Burning tablecloth from the fire. Why did Amandine try to remove the burning tablecloth from the fire? The answer, the Amandine tried to remove the burning cloth from the fire because the painter does a drawing on tablecloth as a tip for Papa if he likes his meal. That's all, children. Your revision is completed. Till here. You have to write and read for the FA1 test. Okay. Don't keep incomplete work. Please complete it and read for the test. And I'll be giving you the portions for the test. For the test, first one. First lesson is meeting the season. Meeting the season. Meeting season. Second one, wild duck. Second lesson, wild duck. And the third one, dust of snow. Dust of snow. It's a poem. These are the portions for the test. Hope you have understood. Full poem you have to read for the test. Only 2 stanzas are there in the poem, so you have to read full poem. Okay, children. Thank you. I hope you have completed the revision also. Thank you, children.